Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite fashion tutor, Blessing Udochi Emeralds of Emeralds'apparel. I am so happy to have you drop by on my channel today. So today I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to draft a basic body sleeve. But this sleeve I'm going to draft is going to be a very simple, very easy. No matter how it is, you will understand it. Very easy. That's if you want to make a quick outfit, you just need a quick sleeve. It's still a basic body sleeve, but it's the easiest way or the simplest way to make it. Now in my next video I'm going to make draft another sleeve, but that one is going to be well detailed because it's going to have a lot of do and don'ts, or do this and do that. So that one is going to give you need to pay a lot of attention. If you are making something like a blazer, a jacket, that sleeve is the one you need. So because that sleeve is going to be different from this one I'm going to teach today. So after watching this video, if you need a more detailed and well explained tutorial or for a basic sleeve, don't forget to check on that video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe if you find value in this video, and share with your families and loved ones. As many people that need this video, please don't forget to share it with them. I love you so much. And another thing, please, my subscribers, don't forget to drop your comments. Whenever you ask questions in the comment section, this is what gives me the encouragement to make another video, because I know, okay, this is the challenges you face and I need to make a video about it to explain to you how it can be done in the easiest way. I hope you find value in this video. Let's go right into today's class for our basic block sleeve the simplest way. Love you all. Welcome to class. Like I said, I'm going to be drafting a very easy sleeve block that will be very easy for you to make. So the measurement we are working with, the arm side is 16. Like I will display on the screen here to know how to measure arm side, to know how to measure your bicep, to know how to measure your elbow, to know how to measure your wrist, and also this is the sleeve length. Now the sleeve length is 20. So this pattern is just the exact size. This is the leftover pattern I have, so I decided to use it. If I had enough pattern, I would have extended it so that I will add allowance to it, to the sleeve length. But since I don't have enough pattern paper, I just make do with this. So now let's go into today's tutorial. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide your arm side. Like I said, it's a very simple tutorial, so get your popcorn and get your writing notes. The arm side, you're going to divide it by 4. Dividing this arm side by 4 because that's what I'm going to use as a guide for the cap that I want, the sleeve cap that I want. So dividing this 16 by 4, you are going to have 4 inches. Now, up here, don't forget, please, whenever you're making a sleeve, let your paper be on 4. Like I said, this is just what I have. If this paper was enough, if this pattern paper was enough, this is what I will do. I will fold it into 2. I will fold it into 2, and this side I will start my measurement this way. So this side will be the side that it's not going to be open. So because I don't have enough paper, that's why you see that it is slitted, it is open. So please don't forget, make sure that your sleeve is on fold. I'm sounding that again. Make sure your sleeve, your material, your fabric is on fold, not single like this. So that 4 inches, we divided our arm side or armhole. You can call it arm side or armhole. We divided it by 4. This is it. You can use 5, you can use 4, but not me, I'm using 4. Depending on what you measure, there is how you divide your arm side, it will give you 5. It can give you 6. But for me, I think standard is between 4 and 5. That's what I know. That's the standard. Now I've marked that 4 as a guide. Now the next thing I want you to do is mark from this top to where 4 inches is. This 4 inches too is a guide. Don't forget, it's a guide. This is like standard. So what I'll do is I'll draw a line, horizontal line. This is what I'll draw, a line. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Now on this line now, I will insert my bicep measurements. Don't forget, my bicep I said is 12. So divided by 2, because this paper is supposed to be folded by 2. So divided by 2 will be 6. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Divided by 2 will be 6. Then I'll add seam allowance, which is 1. That's make it 7. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now the next thing I'm going to do I will divide this part now into 2 again. Into 2, that will be 2 inches. 2 inches. I hope you understand. Then I'll draw a line. Okay, I hope you can see that. So I'm drawing a line now. Then this down part, I'm going to put the person's wrist. The wrist here is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 3.5. Then I add 1. You can add 2. Your allowance can be 2, it can be 1. Bicep line, don't forget bicep. So I'll connect this to this point here. I hope you understand. So another thing we are going to do now is we have to connect these dots. We connect this cap here from here to here and from here to here. So I'll use my French cuff. Don't forget this point here. I say it's a guide, that 4. So connect it like so. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then you turn your ruler also this way. Ta-da! We are done. Like we are done. Like we are finished. Now, this, why I say it is easy, this one does not have back for back and for front. This is just, you can fix it. You know, normally the one I said I will teach in the next video is a well-detailed one whereby you notice that the front will go in like so, while the back remains like this. But this one now is easy. This is a very quick one, like very, very quick. You don't stress yourself. Like I said before, measure whatever. When you divide your armhole, divide it by, I'm repeating myself again. When you measure your armhole, divide it by 4. That's your arm side or armhole. You divide by 4. Whatever you have, you put it here. Now, when you put it here, measure from this point to 4 inches and draw an horizontal line. This line now, you draw it. That 4 inches now, divide it into 2 again. That will be, one part will be 2, one part will be 2. These 2 parts now is one will serve as a guide. So that when you are cuffing the cap, you'll be able to get to this point and now return it back to this point. Now you draw your wrist and now connect it to your bicep. I hope you understand very well. So this is a very easy, the simplest, the most easy tutorial. With this, you can draft as many as you want to draft without stress. In fact, you can sleep and be drafting. So you can add your allowance. Okay, let me just add allowance so that, let me cut it with allowance so that it will be easy for you. So you just add your allowance like so. See, I've added allowance to it. Now, if it was the one that you want to go in and want to come out, this will be the front and this will be the back. So I hope you enjoy this class. I hope you enjoy this class. I hope you find value in this class. See you.